Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And y'all already know what time it is. It's time for Kylie to get a new hairstyle. Yes, it's that time. It's that time to braid it on up. Now, y'all know we done took our break away from our protective styles and we've been rocking our natural hair. But baby, yeah, it's time to put this stuff in some braids, okay? Braid it up, braid it up, braid it up, braid it up. Now we did the little two crisscross, the four braids that crisscross into two. Yeah, that was cute. That lasted us a real good time, good little minute. But I had to get her fresh for Christmas. How was y'all Christmas, by the way? Did y'all have a Merry Christmas? Was Santa Claus good to everybody, honey? I hope he was. I hope y'all enjoyed yourself, because baby, these children got more than enough. I thank God for my village. But anyway, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed our Christmas, because we enjoyed ours. Okay, so let's get into this hairstyle. Y'all already know I can't do nothing unless it's pressed out, baby. So this is the hairstyle that she wanted. Okay, we got us two braids, zigzag parts, little curly hair added in it. And yeah, I think it's by our braids by Jasmine on Instagram. Or anyway, she be having some cute stuff on her page. So my girl ran across it and I was like, okay, yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is, you already know, I'm gonna try to get my parts together. I'm busting her hair down the middle and I am just zigzagging. Now let me tell you this was a waste of time, okay? Because, baby, this method didn't work for me. It didn't work for me. I wouldn't say it was a complete waste of time because I got evenly amounts of hair on both sides by doing this. But I ended up going through it and just kind of like, as I did each braid, I just reparted it. Because it was just easier. It was easier. I had the parts, the zigzags. See, look, I had the zigzags kind of big when I braided it. When I parted it off, so the braids were going to be like very huge and I wasn't feeling it. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to start it off and then just section zigzag as I go. And that's what I did. So this is what we're getting into. This is what it looks like. And yeah, because I was frustrated. Okay, so y'all see that the girl had the curly hair added into her hair. So I did buy some crochet hair, but I've used crochet hair in the past and it didn't last as long as the style would. Like the crochet hair was nap up real quick. So I said, I'm gonna try this. I seen one of the girls do this on TikTok. So guess what? I said, okay, I'm gonna get some braiding hair. I wrapped it around a flexing rod and I dipped it in hot water. Okay, so that's what I did. I seen a girl do this with like two braids and I was like, I'm gonna try it. So guess what I'm doing? I'm trying it. Y'all always know I'm down to try new things, okay? I had to make sure that it was pretty dry, and it was for the most part. And I am just unraveling it gently, trying not to mess up that curl too much. But look at that. Look at that. So bam, this is the curl, and this is what we're going to use to add in the hair. That's what we're going to use, okay? So let's get into it. So by this time, yeah, this is where I'm at with the braids. Zigzagging, feeding in that hair, baby. We getting into it. Let me tell you something. I started this the day before Christmas Eve, Lord. And baby, I was supposed to do my hair and her hair because our Christmas festivities started on Christmas Eve this year, okay? So I was like, okay, I can do both our hair in one day. That's cool. I can get that done because I don't have anything to do that Friday. Baby, y'all already know what your girl did. Your girl laid around till late that night, got tired, then it got snow. We down here in Alabama, baby, it got real cold. We ain't getting no snow, but it was a little icy. And that, I don't know, that did something to my bones. It was like, just stay up on the cover a little bit longer. Just stay up on the cover a little bit longer. So that's what I did. Okay, yeah, look. So, yeah, let me stop talking about myself. But look, that's what I'm doing, y'all see? And as I like this, but I wasn't in love with it. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't just like, oh, yeah, this is perfect. Next time I'll try some different hair. I think it was better than the crochet hair, but it didn't do what it needed to be done for real. But I mean, and she liked it, so it was all right. But I'm just taking it and feeding it in and letting her hold the other piece and leaving the piece out. Y'all see how I did that? So that's how I made that look like that. Like that. Look, she liked it. So hey, it wasn't that bad. As I began to feed in the hair and I took it apart, the curl lost its form. So that's why I was like, I wasn't a big fan of it. But the other part, one thing that I do like is that I can always go back and recurl it versus the crochet hair. Once you mess that up, it's it's just gonna nap up and keep on nodding and napping up. So yeah, so then I go ahead and I flexi ride her ends because she wanted the curly ends. And I am, by this time it's like almost 11, 12 o'clock, and I'm still confident that I can start on my own head. I'm like, oh yeah, I still can at least get the braid down done. Baby, the girl got up in the bed and woke up early Christmas Eve to fix her own hair, to do my own hair. I don't know what it is, and I had so much time to do my hair, but I am just like, I can't do my hair until my daughter's hair is done. I don't know. And then the thing is, I know I'm going to do her hair, but I can't do nothing to my head until I know that her hair is done. I just can't. So I was like, I got to do her hair first, and then I'll be able to concentrate on my own head. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. Like I told y'all, the pieces that are left out, you can always go back and flexi ride those. So I was like, okay, that's better than the crochet hair. And this is what we came up with. This is what our curl looking like. Look, we rushing to get up out the house Christmas Eve morning, y'all. We rushing to get up. Look, I'm still not in the camera because I don't even think my hair was fully done at this point either. So yeah, this is what it looks like uncurled. Yeah, I had to snip off a little piece of that end, but it still was cute. It just wasn't as full as the girl in the photo, but I mean, you know, it did what it was supposed to do for the most part. I didn't want her to pull them. I was like, don't pull, just let them be, let it just fall, okay? Let me add a little mousse to it, and bam, this is what we got. This was Christmas Day. Yeah, my girl got her pajamas on. We added some little butterfly clips to hide the imperfections, and bam, she was satisfied. I was satisfied. I said, oh, you cute, girl.